Hello students, welcome back to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE board syllabus, Class 6 Physics, Chapter 1 and 2, that is Introduction and Matter together. This is the part 2 of this video series. Come on, let us continue with our studies. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Question number 15. Write down the characteristics of solid state. Answer. Solids are rigid and incompressible. What is meant by incompressible? That means they cannot be pressed. They cannot be compressed. They cannot be applied. On them we cannot apply pressure. Point number 2, they have a definite shape and volume. Question number 16, write down the characteristics of liquid state. Answer, liquids flow and can be poured because the molecules can slide past each other. They are incompressible. They have a definite volume but no definite shape. Though they have a definite volume, they do not have a definite shape. They assume the shape of the container. So, liquids take the shape of the container in which they are poured. Question number 17. Give the characteristics of gaseous state. Answer. They are highly compressible. It means they can be compressed to a large extent. They have no fixed volume or shape. So, gaseous state, they don't have fixed volume and also they don't have any shape at all. Next question. Question number 18. What is meant by interconversion of state? Answer, matter changes its state when heated or cooled. We know pretty well when ice is heated, it becomes water. So it gets converted from solid to liquid state. Similarly, when water is cool, it goes back to the ice state, that is the solid state. That's what it is given. Matter changes its state when heated or cooled. This process is called interconversion of state. Next question, 19th one, define melting. Answer, when a solid is heated to a particular temperature, it changes into liquid. This process is called melting. Question number 20. Define melting point. Answer, the temperature at which a solid melts is called its melting point. Next question, that is the 21st one. Define freezing. Answer, when a liquid is cooled to a particular temperature, it changes into solid. This process is called freezing. Question number 22. Define freezing point. Answer, the temperature at which a liquid freezes is called its freezing point. Question number 23. Actually, this is not a question, this is a point. It is given in the form of a point. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So, both the melting point of ice and the freezing point of water is one and the same, that is 0 degrees Celsius. Question number 24. Define boiling. Answer. When a liquid is heated to a particular temperature, it changes into vapor. This process is called boiling. Question number 25. Define boiling point. Answer. The temperature at which a liquid boils is called its boiling point. Next question, the 26th one. Define condensation. Answer. When vapor is cooled to a particular temperature, it changes into liquid. This process is called condensation or liquefaction. Then question number 27. Question number 27. Define condensation point. Answer. The temperature at which gas condenses is called its condensation point. Question number 28. In other words, point. It may be considered as a point. So 28th one, the melting point of a solid, that is ice, is the same as the freezing point of its liquid form, that is water. That's what we have already seen. Both the melting point of a solid and the freezing point of its liquid form, that is melting point of ice and the freezing point of water is one and the same, that is 0 degrees Celsius. Similarly, question number 29. Question number 29. The boiling point of a liquid, that is water, is the same as the condensation point of its gaseous form. That means the boiling point of water and the condensation point of steam, that is its gaseous form, is one and the same, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.